Dr. Deuk. I'm here with one of my patients who, what procedure did you have done for your back pain?
I had laser surgery on
Deuk laser disc repair.
Deuk laser disc repair.
All right, a lot of people say laser surgery, and there's a lot of surgeons out there trying to do laser surgery, but it doesn't work for them because they don't do it properly. There's a proper way to do laser surgery, and that's the technique that I developed years ago. We call it the Deuk laser disc repair. It's been peer-reviewed and published in the National Library of Medicine. You can find the publications in PubMed. So you had the Deuk laser disc repair, which is very special. And what kind of problems were you having that prompted you to get surgery on your back?
I suffered pain for 38 years, decades of pain. And I'm so thankful for you because I have no pain whatsoever now. None.
That's amazing. So 38 years of back pain.
Yes.
And what one would ask, what would you do for 38 years? What happened? Like, why did you wait to?
Well, I went to some other surgeons and neurologists. They didn't really know exactly how to go about things. And that's the big difference between you and them.
Yes.
When I came
absolutely.
in here after I got some imaging testing, you knew exactly. You came in and gave me 3 different options and knew exactly how to approach it and go about it. And that gave me a lot of confidence that you knew exactly what you were doing.
For those of you watching, I mean, he just said something that's so important to me, and I go out there and I try to tell people this, and I don't think a lot of people understand. You really have to go somewhere where they know how to make the right diagnosis. And I can tell you, if I took all the chiropractors, all the physical therapists, all the nurses, all the doctors, all the spine surgeons, all the orthopedics, all the neurosurgeons, all the pain management docs in the entire world and put them into a group, only about 0.01% of them know how to make the right diagnosis as a cause of pain. And that is the first and most important thing that Deuk Spine Institute does better than any other doctor or facility in the world. And the proof is in our results. Our patients that have surgery with us, they all get better. We get rid of their pain. And the reason we get rid of their pain is because we identify the proper source of the pain. And that is something not done anywhere else. So that's like message number 1 of importance, is make the right diagnosis if you want to cure back pain and neck pain. But we did that, right? So we found 3 discs that were causing your pain. And so you're saying the other doctors you saw couldn't identify the source of pain. So they couldn't fix it, obviously, if they can't identify the source. Now, you had your surgery 6 weeks ago.
Yes.
So tell us about that.
Well, I'm a little bit disappointed in you.
Why is that?
You told me I was going to get rid of 95% of the pain. I got rid of 100% of the pain.
Okay.
You knocked it out of the park. You hit a home run with my back.
Well, you did a lot of that too. You healed up. So let me explain. 95% is our average. If we take all of our patients that had your surgery and we ask them how much of your pain that you had before the surgery do you still have, or how much do we get rid of really, they all say different numbers, 100%, 90%, 85, 90, but the average is 95%. So I don't tell people you're going to get 100% relief, because I think, you have to be truthful, and the average is 95%. Now, a lot of people do get 100%. I'm very happy you did. But this brings up, another issue, which is cure for back pain is possible, right? And it's been possible. You're an example of somebody whose back pain has been cured. I don't ever expect it to come back. You had it for 38 years. That's one of the longest histories of back pain I've ever heard in my practice. I've heard of people with 5 years, 10 years, 2 years, 15 years, 20 years, but 38 years of back pain. To me, that saddens me to know that you lived 38 years of your life in incapacitating pain and that you could have had a very different experience in your life. It really saddens me tremendously to hear that. I know what it's like to live with a chronic medical condition, and I know how it really affects the quality of people's lives, especially back and neck pain. So that's why we're here, that's why we do these testimonials, that's why we broadcast, for one purpose. I don't want to see people living in chronic pain when they don't need to. And there's a lot of misinformation out there. People believe because they're being told by their doctors there's no cure for their pain, and they have a problem that can't be cured. It's not true, people. Wake up. There is a cure. It's here at Deuk Spine Institute. Find us, come here, and we'll fix you, just like we did with this gentleman. Now, what are you going to do now that your back pain is gone?
I'm enjoying life.
Good. That's wonderful to hear. Anything else you want to say?
I'm living a dream. It's like I'm in a dream. I'm going to wake up one day and I've been on cloud nine ever since surgery. This is fantastic.
Well, let me ask you a question. Did your insurance pay for your surgery?
No,
So how did it get paid for?
out of my pocket.
You paid cash for your surgery.
Yes,
Was it worth it?
absolutely.
That's right.
At the time I didn't like it, but now that I have no pain, without a doubt it's worth every penny. Thank
So
you.
happy
I'll be
for you.
forever grateful to you
You are
for
welcome.
taking away my pain.
That's why we do it. That's why we come here every day. That's why I hope all these people are here, is to make a positive impact on someone's life.
And I'm really looking forward to actually living the rest of my life
Good,
pain-free.
good. We're here for you if you need us. You take care.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.